What's up, my loves? Welcome back to my channel. I am Nyasha and this is Makeup a Difference. We are on episode 2 of the timeless beauty makeup looks. So today we're on 2016. I'm a little nervous with this one because I'm like, oh my goodness, because 2016 was all about the cut crease, the matte shadow, the matte lipstick, and the thick brows that are like jet black. Well, not jet black, but they were quite pronounced, glitterized and stuff. So let's get right into it. I used to just draw them like this. It wasn't like a mimicking their hairs. I used to draw them like this and that. I've always been into thick brows because I feel like thick brows, not too thick, but thick brows just give a youthful feel. And that sculpting the brows is pretty much the same as I do now. I'm absolutely loving doing this series, guys. I love doing playlists because then it gives you guys something to binge and watch, and for me it's fun. So I remember this part was like always faded in. I'm really just spreading that concealer all the way to my brow. My P. Louise bridal series. So I'm going in with a pinky shadow called I Chose You. And much more deeper plummy eyeshadow in my socket. I can have like a light, little to no eyeshadow, but my skin, my base has to be flawless. I don't think my base was flawless back then. So I want to make sure I put it like this and then also just wing it out. Might be a little rusty on these eyeshadow looks, but so far this is what we got because I ain't done these kind of looks in a while. So it's time to cut the crease. I need to concentrate because you can easily mess up a cut crease. So I don't like those extra high cut creases that are all the way there. So this is how we're gonna settle with this cut crease. So first, now we're gonna put like the lid color, and we're putting like a nudie pink just near the inner corner. Then the same pink shadow that I put on my transition shade, just blending those shadows together. I'm not gonna lie, this is very arty. Like, you definitely need to have an arty hand to be able to do this, and honestly it's quite challenging, but it's also quite fun. I'm using Tantalizing in my inner corner. I should have done this right at the end, but I'll have to redo it. You know, I still like my inner corner eyeshadow. I still love it. I think it just makes your eyes pop. So liner is on. I'm gonna just clean up the corner just because it needs to be sharp. Let's move on to the glitter. So for the glitter, I was thinking to put it on top like this. So lashes are on. Let's get ready for skin. We're gonna contour. I'm using my Maybelline, and I used to contour like this. You know, this is the curve. I don't like this way of contouring because I have round cheeks. Obviously you would put it a little higher, and I don't want that emphasize, and obviously that emphasize it, but we're doing the look, you guys. I didn't really use bronzer. I'm using my conceal and define. I just love. This is how I used to do the concealer. Spray, my hydration spray. I have seasons with makeup. I'm just enjoying blending my makeup with the beauty blender. This UGV Beauty banana is a little yellow. I do love it too. King was the it you need to bake was Kim Kardashian baking, and we're trying to achieve this baking method. The bake was baking. That's all I can say. I'm using the Imani, some of that contour, because like I said, contour needed to pop in with the darker one just to cover out the jawline. I didn't really wear blush like that. I think if I wore blush, it was an orangey blush. And it was barely seen because the highlighter will override everything. So this is the only blush we're putting, and I'm kind of no, I want to put more. So I'm going with that pinky plum eyeshadow under my eye. Super Hot Fixing Spray. Using eyeshadow to do my highlighter, and I'm gonna go in, and then never too much highlighter. Forehead, and a bit on my forehead and on here. I've got this lipstick I've not used from Kiko, and it's like this shade. Okay, do you know what? I think let's go with this one. Well guys, this is the final look. I ended up going with a translucent powder just to matten my lips even more, because I feel like they were a little shimmery and the look was supposed to be matte. Okay, the assignment was matte lipstick. So what do you guys think? Is it given 2016 or not? Let me know in your comments, in the comments right now, if you are enjoying these looks, and if you got any requests looks that in the future that maybe I might consider doing. I am enjoying doing these looks. It's so fun. It's like playing dress up but with makeup. So I hope you're enjoying them with me, and I hope to see you in the next one. The next one is the 50s, and I got the hair sorted out already, and I'm excited. See you in the next one. Bye.